Hey everybody, it's Everything. I am back with another video. Today I'm getting eyelash extensions and I'm going to show you how it is. I'm sorry about the quality of the video because I have to do a voiceover. My phone is not great at picking up the audio. So stay tuned. I'll let you see it. Here is I'm getting prepped for the procedure itself. She's taking my eyelashes down so the bottom ones won't get in contact with the top ones and it won't be difficult for her. And she put the lashes on like a towel on my forehead. Right here, I know she was getting irritated with me because I'm supposed to have my eyes closed. I'm not supposed to open my eyes, but I wanted to take a video and make sure I was recording. I know I got her nerves. I am so sorry, girl. Here is a picture of me partway through, just a progress photo to let you see how everything looks so far. Right here, I had to take a bathroom break, so I took a photo. I know I look crazy with stuff on my head, y'all. It's alright. I got eyelashes everywhere. Right here, she allowed me to take because she was working on that one eye, and I kept my eyes closed. So she said, it's okay if you take it. I know the quality of the video is kind of too bright and you can't really see what's going on, but it'll be okay. Right here, this is the end result of a comparison of how my eyes used to look before, which is on the bottom, and the top two is how my eyelashes look now. So I got eyelashes, y'all, before I was bald. Yeah, so I'm excited, and here is a finished shot of how I look when my eyelashes completely done and I'm at home relaxed.